The unfortunate reality is that often religious organizations face the unwarranted accusation of misconduct or face many legal issues. There are 4 specific areas we represent relating to church matters. The first one is regarding the governance and property dispute. This is the most common cases we handle. When the church is divided between 2 factions fight over the management and control of the church property. And we're coming in to represent either side, either faction. In that case, oftentimes the church law and civil law is intertwined. Without having extensive knowledge about church law as well as civil law, many lawyers fail to distinguish between what governs church law and what belongs to civil court. The second aspect is the board of directors liability. The church is a nonprofit religious organization or nonprofit organization. That means the management, including the property and assets, are managed by the board of directors or trustees. When they manage the affairs of the church, including the property, they have fiduciary duty to the church and its members. We represent the directors when they are wrongfully accused of breach of fiduciary duty. The third one is a clergy malpractice. Unfortunately, the clergy misconduct oftentimes. It could be sexual harassment against minor as well as congregants of the church. We represent the victim as well as the clergy member. He might say, you know what, I was wrongfully accused of misconduct. We're here to represent the victim as well as the defendant. Finally, employment issue. Church also hires its employees, but church has its unique the tenants and practice. When they hire employees, sometimes they require the employees adhere to their faith and practice. Oftentimes, employees might say, I was wrongfully terminated based on my religion. Once again, we're here to represent the church in defense of wrongful termination.